to check few more, then finish the video. Obviously it's going to be very long. So we got two things here you guys need to understand. We got short-term holder, SOPR, which abbreviated for SOPR, abbreviated for spend output profit ratio. Short-term holder spend output profit ratio, and then we got LTH SOPR, long-term holder spend output profit ratio. Let's check it out. Short-term holders and short-term super. Okay, we call it super to make it a bit shorter. Super indicator. So obviously we have a bit negative here. What does it mean, LTH STH super? It does mean when the indicator shows bearish below 1, it means the short-term holders are selling their assets with the loss. They are selling their assets with loss, and that makes a bit fair between investors to be afraid and to be afraid of market is dropping, we're gonna lose more money, so just let's sell it right now and then get out, leave the market alone. So that is the index to understand. Short-term holder, SOPR, it means the short-term holders are selling in loss. When is you can see here, let me show you again. Yeah, so when the market is below 1, they are selling in loss. When the market is above 1, indicator is above 1, they are selling in profit. Usually when the short-term holders are above 1, obviously it is better for market, because it means the market is trustable, and the market is active, and investors are having a lot transactions volume. And anyway, above 1 it is positive, and below 1 is unfortunately a bit negative. But the thing is that being below 1, it's not directly, definitely it's negative, because sometimes whenever we got few more on-chain indexes, like 4, 5, 6 indexes, they are positive and the short-term holders are negative, it's more either positive, because whenever the loss will become more, the bottom of the market will be made by them. You know, the sharks, the whales will start buying, and those people are selling in loss. So it make the bottom of market and rally up. Because I tell you, because we see here the indicator is below 1, the market is the short-term holders are selling in loss, but here the addresses are increasing, and I don't know, the addresses are increasing, the new wallets are buying, and the walls are buying. So see, it doesn't mean negative. Something, if it's negative, it doesn't mean exactly it's negative, because we got another indexes which is positive. So we can hopefully we'll see this as a positive clue again. And let's go see 8th of April again. Last year, 8th of April here. In that time, when the market had a correction at 8th of April, the short-term super, it was 95. Can you believe it? It was negative, below 195. Then start rally up, seen from 76k to all the time high BTC, then rally up. Then here again it was 95, then again BTC from 84 had an upward rally to 95k, 100k, 120, I don't know, 7k, you know, so it's kind of not negative. Another thing, we got LTHSOP, long-term holders spend output profit ratio. Here we got something, you know, this one, long-term holder super, is very important. Actually, it is very important, and I want you guys to listen to this. Okay, right now, the 15th of November 2025, it's about 1.23, okay, 1.23. Kinda, it's not too much high, it's not below value, it's just neutral. And let's compare this long-term indicator with the drop at 7th of April 2025. In that time, when the price was about 76k, where was it? 76k. The number here was about the number of the indicator was about 1.95. Okay, 1.95. And at the moment, currently, it is 1.23, either lesser than before one. Okay, lesser than before one. So what does long-term holders super do? Can you guys see these peaks? Yeah, can you guys see these peaks? For example, this peak, let me make it a bit bigger. So this peak, either it was 13 again at 2024, 24th of May, and here again another peak, 1st of February 2022, another peak 7th of April 2021, another peak 24th of July 2019. So see, each time we had a peak, then rally down, then rally down, then rally down. And now if we guys see, since so this recently 27th of May 2024, it was 8, which means the long-term holders, they start selling their assets with the profit. Okay, they start selling their assets with the profit. Okay, then the market from 71,000 KBTC start dropping to the bottom of 54k in 2024. Okay, then the long-term indicator comes below 1.4, then the rally upward, then upward rally started to see the ATH again. So when it was 13, 18 either, 18, people start selling their assets with the profit. The market start having a correction. We had the bearish trend. At 10th of October 2024, the indicator of long-term holders was below 1.5. Then at 8th of September 2024, the bullish trend started again. So from 53k we saw 105k at 21st of January 2025, and between 27th May 2024 and 4th of July 2025, we had no peaks. Obviously, we just had a small moves. That's done. And at the end, we saw the number of 13 in that indicator, which means the people was massively selling their assets with profit. Okay, and after a while, from 2020, from 120k, start having a correction to 108k, then rally up again to 124, 126k again, then rally down until now. And then now, I told you guys, and since this peak to this peak, it was just playing so. And then now, from this peak, the last time we had 4th of July 2025 until now, it's just ranging, it's just playing. We had no bullish market. Obviously the market was just playing between 10,000, 15,000, down up, down up, down up, so nothing happened obviously massively. And now it's almost end of the currently year and the beginning of the new year 2026. So, and nothing happened. So with the positive on-chain indexes which we saw, which we analyze it, so hopefully this year we are going to have a massively altcoin bullish market, hopefully, because obviously nothing happened. The only thing is just been happened, it was huge sales by whales, which they been bought their assets in the very past, and they are currently in profit, and obviously they will sell. And since the market will have a small correction, like right now we have seen the world will start buying again, and the market will start having a bullish trend again, just as you can see here. Okay, will the market start having a bullish trend again. And at the moment the indicator is 1.223 since 7th of July 2025. I mean, in my opinion, the market is not going to have to start a bearish market. Obviously, it's just getting scared people and make them force to sell their assets in loss, and their own will start having huge purchases, huge accumulations. Then the market will rally up. So this is the things which we analyze it with each other, and then we saw them in live. In live. Yeah, so this is those are the things which we've been analyze them, and we see it, what we got positive, what we got negative, and what we should do. For the last thing, let's check out the Coinbase exchange indexes, then we will say goodbye. Let's check out the Fear and Greed index. Okay, at the this recently at 2025, 11th of 3rd of 2025, the first Fear index, the lowest Fear index, it was 15, and the second lowest Fear index at 9th of 4 2025 date, it was 15. Okay, it made a double bottom here, and the BTC's price at the moment, which the index was about 15, the BTC price was about 76k. Okay, 76k. If you could remember, so we spoke about it on the trading view. So at 7th of April, 8th of April, when the Bitcoin dropped at 76k. So in that time, the Fear and Greed index was about 15. Okay, was about 15, and after that we had a double bottom, the same place almost, then rally up to extreme greed. Okay, here was extreme fear, then we had seen the extreme greed, the price which had hit $120,000. In that time the index indicator was 63. See, whenever the people start feeling fear, whenever the people start feeling avoid of having purchase in those zones, which is undervalued zone, the best POI to buy, the normal people will avoid buying. The walls, the sharks, the institutional bonds, the big investors are going to buy. In that time they have no hesitate, they just keep buying. I'm not assaulting to them, but this is what it is, you know. So if you are in this market and you accept of losing money and not be afraid of anything, then when the people are in fear, you just buy, and when the people are in greed, just sell. So, and here we had a medium fair, yeah. Then this was a correction. Actually, the medium fairs are not any heavy drops. They are just correction, and yeah, the market rally up, and then right now, let's see 30 days, for example. We zoom in, and right now we can see the Fear index comes again in the red zone, in the extremely fair zone, in the zone which normal people will fly away, will run away, will start crying. It should not be that, you know. So in this case, in this zone, it's the time to buy. It's the time to be waiting for a big smash. Once the market starts rallying up, you cannot catch it, promise you. So yeah, at the moment the index is about 16. Okay, you could remember, yeah, the last time it was 15, we had Bitcoin from 76k to 126k. the same thing happened, and the now is 16 fair indicator. Yeah guys, I'm not telling you guys the BTC market definitely with having those positive indexes is definitely going to explode and hit 140k, 145k, but I'm telling you guys, it is a fair zone, undervalue, point of interest, an edge to buy and be patient. And I hope you guys help you this video, and hopefully I see you again. And this video going to be very long, probably I'm making it in 2 or 3 parts, but love you guys, have a good day, bye bye.